one pizza too many. Cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many cooking and unboxing videos. Now today I thought I'd bring you something a bit different, so we're going to do a festive Christmassy hot dog using venison sausages, and we're going to be cooking it on the Ninja Grill XL. So before I go into what we've got here, make sure you tune into the channel by subscribing, and also make sure that you do hit that notification as well. Now let's have a look what ingredients we've got to cook with. So the ingredients that we're using today are these venison, cranberry and apple sausages from Price and Fretwell, cranberry sauce, honey, yellow American mustard or burger mustard as I call it, salt, pepper, garlic powder, brioche buns and an onion. Right, okay, so we've got power now to the Ninja Grill. I'm going to open it up, and as you can see I've got the grill plate side to side. This is really easy. Now, you can preheat the grill if you want, so it's dead easy. What you do is press the power on, go to grill, and we're going to do these on a medium heat, and we're going to do them for 10 minutes. And now when you press start, okay, it will give you the option to preheat, which you press, and then it says add food. Okay, so that will heat up and it will add food. Now I'm not going to leave it long to preheat because it's absolutely freezing out here. You'll notice I'm still outside, cooking outside, but I've got a roof on now, which is great, but you can probably hear the rain. So grill's on preheat, so then what you do is you open it up, and look at these sausages, fantastic. Just want to say thanks to Darren at Price and Fretwell for getting these to me, delivered them to me at work the other day. So thanks for supplying these for the video, really appreciate it. Okay, I'm looking forward to doing a meat factory trip with him. I'm going to go and visit and go around and do a YouTube video while we're there. So, down, and it automatically starts cooking. Now, I'll go and wash my hands, and then we're going to start with the onions and the sauce to go with these. Okay, so now what we're going to do is two things. I'm going to quickly just chop the onions. We're going to slice it. And then we're going to open the grill, and I'm just going to put these onions in the grill with the sausages. Then close that back down. That's how cold it is. About 2 degrees. Right, okay. Sauce. So I saw this sauce online and I thought it looks really good. I'm going to give that a try. It's dead simple. Okay, so it's a jar of cranberry sauce. American burger mustard. Okay, so ratio is 2 parts cranberry to 1 part American mustard. Then we've got some honey. And it's freezing. She'll warm the honey up. Okay, a teaspoon of honey, finally. Then some pepper, pinch of pepper, just a little bit of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. It all looks a bit crazy. Okay, so we beeped, okay, so it's now saying to flip. Okay, so I'm just going to roll these around. Looking good already. And close it back down. So with this, all we're doing is mixing this together. Now it's a smooth cranberry sauce that I've got, not a chunky one. If it was chunky, I'd probably put it in the blender and blend this up. That's the sauce. Done nice and quick. That's what I like. Okay, we're nearly up with the 10 minutes. There we go, 10 minutes gone. I'm going to open these up. And I've not put any fat on the onions, I've just left them as they are. And they look really good. Obviously, if you've got a pair of silicone tongs, a little bit better for doing this. And the sausages look fantastic. Really good. Okay, and then I think what I'm going to do, just because we've got the function on here, I'm just going to whip the probe out, plug it in, and I'm just going to probe the middle of the fattest sausage. And we're looking for 75 degrees or above on these sausages. So it now knows that the probe is in. So I'm going to press manual. I'm going to go to grill. And it's already saved 75 degrees from the last time I used it. And then we're just going to press start. So it's now analysing, and it's going to say that it's already hot enough in the centre, so the sausages are ready. So it's a good little way of, you could have put the probe in at the start if you wanted to, but I just thought I'd show you the function that you can use just for checking if you don't want to cook with it. So these sausages are ready, let's get them served up. Okay, so it says get food, so let's get the food. And you could also heat these up in here if you wanted, on the grill. Let's go on with, look at the size of that. I think I'm going to need a bigger boat. Okay, and then some of the onions. As well. And then let's drizzle some of this sauce over. Like so. Now we have very quick, very simple little take on a festive hot dog with venison, cranberry and apple sausages from Price and Fretwell, grilled onions, and a homemade knocked up together concoction sauce which will put you in the festive spirit. Now let me know what you think of these. Are you going to try something like this yourself over Christmas? Have you got any other ideas that you could do instead of this? Let me know. It's all about interaction, so let me know. But thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Next video coming up, we're going to be doing a little festive pizza, or 2 festive pizzas even, so you're not going to want to miss that. So make sure you do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications, and also obviously head over to our Instagram and Facebook page, all in between action, and you would have seen a post about me fitting my roof. So until next time, thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you again very soon.
One pizza too many.